Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. Got a brand new 2020 Lance. Model number's a 975 truck camper. Let's go in and take a peek. We're on this side. Nice big grab panel going up the back. Walk into your kitchen area here. You got your nice corner kitchen here, your 3-burner, Dometic, oven, fan hood, microwave right there. Storage in here above us. Here's your control panel for your generator, water heaters, stereo system. All your lights and stuff are up here. Here's a little solar panel. This has a solar up on the roof. They come that way from the factory. Little compartment here to put your a little stuck right there, but you can put your cans and stuff in there. Little drawers right here that slide out. So here's your TV. Got a nice little spice rack area. Put some goodies in there. So in here, this has got the dry bath. So you got a separate shower. You got your toilet. Nice big mirror. Right here, you got your cabinet on side, fan above us. Skylight. You got plenty of room. A full-size shower there. So you got tons of room in this one. And this is a slide out here on this side, slid out, and you got your Norcold refrigerator freezer right there. So underneath the bench seats, you got storage on both sides. Of course, this makes into a bed. LEDs. Here's your antenna, speakers. You got LED lights. Fantastic fan, skylight with a cover. Up in the front here, here's got a nice big footrest and then foot going up. So you've got storage, where's right here, you see this. Got big storage on both sides. There's an actual little cabinet on that side over there that has a closet where you can hang some clothes. Storage in the front, nice big bed. Access in the front where you can put a CPAP machine in the corner up there with some drawers. Skylight up there also. So lots of room. And you notice your panels here for all your lights and stuff are right in the door when you're coming in. Accessing them straight from coming in from the outside, they're kind of handy right here. So you can get to all the controls. So these are 4 seasons. It has it coming in here, you ladder to get up on the roof. This has an awning, electric awning come out the back with electric jacks. Here's your generator in here. You've got some storage compartments in this fancy bumper right here, both sides. You got storage here, put some of your hoses and stuff, cords. And then here's a little outdoor place to put your fishing poles or whatnot in there. It actually has a receiver hitch on there, so you can put a bike rack in here if you want to haul some bikes. Pre-wired for backup camera. So nice heavy duty jacks, all 4 corners, remote control. Here's your power. There's access to some controls in there. Storage under here for there from the outside. Batteries go in there. You got the frameless windows that swing open. So these have the drip rail, so when you're coming in the wintertime, you know, and it's raining, so the water running here and it runs out the side of your truck instead of going in the back. Nice big bumpers there, so when you're backing up to it. It's got the fiberglass cap on the front, so which is helping improve the economy. And actually, it actually protects the front now, so that's kind of nice. This side you have another awning out the side. It's a scissor awning out the side. You got outdoor speakers, little storage right there. Outdoor speaker here. Here's your propane tanks. You got dual propane tanks on this side. More access to more storage. It's kind of nice having 2 awnings on a camper, you know, if you're out having a tailgate party or whatnot. So hey, 5th wheels, toy haulers, truck campers, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.